Hi everyone, this is attorney Ogmen, and today I'm going to talk to you about the new development. We actually heard about the H1B lottery selection process. We're seeing that the US government is actually working on a huge change that could permanently alter, basically change how H1B visas are selected. So what we could tell you is actually Department of Homeland Security, basically DHS, has submitted a new rule to the White House for their review. So instead of selecting applicants through a random lottery, they want to prioritize applicants with a higher salaries, basically wage-based system. So we are seeing that Department of Homeland Security wants to change the process from just a random H1B lottery into actually wage-based system. Under the system, USCIS will rank applicants by wage level from level 1, which is entry level, to level 4, which is actually expert level. And those at the top salary tiers get picked first. This means the higher the pay, the better your chances of getting selected. We could say that if you look at the history, we'll see that this a similar rule was actually introduced under the Trump administration's first term, but it was blocked by the court back then because for skipping key procedures. But now the Trump administration is trying again, and this time looks like they're following the full rulemaking process in order to change the way that H1B process gonna be actually the selection is gonna happen. So this rule is now, of course, under White House review, which usually will take 30 to 90 days. After that, we might see a notice of proposed rulemaking and a public comment period. It's likely won't impact fiscal year 2026, but it could go live for fiscal year 2027. So with this change, before I continue about it, I would like to state that for our followers who may not know what the H1B work visas are, H1B work visas are for US employers who's going to hire foreign professionals to work for them in the US and for the position that requires at least a bachelor or university degree or equivalency. So, and for the last several years, immigration has been conducting H1B lottery selection process in order to make sure that before they reject the files of so many other applicants, they want to make sure that who are selected should be the ones who will be submitting the petitions to the USCIS. So based on this, it has been using lottery-based selection process, but now based on this DHS's new proposed rule, and we're going to see when the White House takes action, but it's going to change this process into wage-based actually selection process. Usually we see that this will be really affecting high-wage tech roles, and senior professionals will sounds like will benefit because of this change, and outsourcing heavy jobs may see lower selection chances. So or employers gonna may have to actually raise salaries to stay competitive in the H1B visa actually process. And I hope this news help our followers. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us. Have a great day. This is attorney Ogmen.